Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be going over how to containerize a Python application using Docker, and then push that image to the Sixfab registry so you can deploy it to your device. We'll go step by step, following the exact workflow recommended in the Sixfab documentation. Before we start, make sure you have your Docker desktop installed and running on your computer. If you don't have Docker installed, go to docker.com, install Docker Desktop, and confirm it works by running this command on your terminal. Once Docker is installed and working, you're ready to go. First, create a folder for your project. Mine is called Hello Python. Make sure you are inside this folder, as Docker commands must be run inside the directory that contains your script and related files. Inside this folder, you will create 4 files: your main script, a Docker file, a requirements file, and a dockerignore file. For the main script, let's add a simple testing script and name it app.py. This file will print hello from Docker. We will also need a requirements file. A requirements file lists Python dependencies, but for a minimal hello world file like ours, you technically don't need any packages. But Docker expects the file to exist because it references it, so we will add one harmless filler line. Next, I'm also going to create a dockerignore file to keep our container clean by excluding unnecessary development files. Type this code into your file. Lastly, let's write the Docker file that tells Docker how to build your container image. You can copy and paste this complete Dockerfile example from the page App Containerization with Dockerfile Templates on the website docs.sixfab.com. Here's what each line does. From picks a lightweight Python environment. Workdir sets the working directory, copy brings our code into the container, run installs our Python dependencies, and cmd defines the command to execute when the container starts. This setup follows Sixfab's recommended template for Python apps. Now, let's build our Docker image. If you're targeting a Sixfab device like the ALPON, which uses ARM64, use this code by running buildx. Docker will go through each step of the Docker file. When it finishes, you'll have a working container image. To test it, run this code. You should see this message pop up. Next, go to your Sixfab Connect dashboard and click Registry. If you haven't already, click Reset Password to generate your registry password, and make sure you copy it onto a safe place. Now, click on the Add Container button. Log in from your terminal by pasting this command that contains your username, and then pasting your password once prompted. We now need to tag the image with the correct registry path. You can copy and paste this command on the registry page to do so. Make sure you replace the image placeholder with the directory name, in our case, Hello Python, and the tag placeholder with the word latest. Lastly, we will need to push the image. Copy and paste this command from the registry page. Do the same thing you did in the previous step by filling in the placeholders. Once you run this command, you'll see progress bars as Docker uploads the image layers to the Sixfab registry. Once it's done, refresh your registry page in the dashboard, and you should see your image there. And that's it! You've successfully containerized a Python app, built a Docker image, and pushed it to the Sixfab registry. If this was helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials, and thank you for watching.